We'll guide you through how to crop in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and load the video you want to crop. Once your video is imported, you'll see it in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Click on the video clip to select it. Next, look for the toolbar on the top of your timeline. Here, you should find the option labeled as Crop. Click on it, and you'll see a grid overlay appear on your video in the preview window. You can now adjust the grid by dragging the corners or sides to select the part of the video you want to keep. This gives you control over the aspect ratio and framing. If you want to maintain a specific aspect ratio, like 16:9 or 1:1, you can select these options from the drop-down menu below the preview window. This ensures your video fits perfectly on different platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click the Apply button to crop the video. You can preview the changes in the main window to make sure it looks just right. If you need to make further adjustments, just repeat the process. When you're happy with the cropping, go to the top right and click Export to save your video with the new dimensions. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your video using CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.